Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the new GoPro Hero11 Black. This just launched this week, so I ordered one and let's see what came in the box. So first off, this is the way that the GoPro was packaged. So it came in this brown paper with the memory card just taped to the front, so not that great on that presentation out the box. Let's open it up and see. Okay, so this is the GoPro box that we're all more familiar with. Let me just pull that memory card out. So there is our memory card, the 32 gig card that came standard with it. And now this is the GoPro box. Take a look on the back there. Peel that off. Okay, so this packaging is pretty standard. The Hero11 Black came in similar packaging. Nothing too crazy about that. So let's see what they sent us. This little carrying case, this is the same as what came with the last model GoPro with the Hero11. Okay, so right off the bat we have instructions. Come with a couple of stickers. Some tips on the batteries, questions, so not really going to look at any of this. Put that off to the side. Your camera must be updated before you can use it, so pretty much the same as what happened on the 10. Get it, check for the update on their app. Not sure why you have to do this on a brand new camera, but I'll go ahead and I'll do that when I get it started. So we have standard, the GoPro Type-C cable. Pretty much the same as what came in the last one. Then this is new. They now give you one of their Enduro batteries. So this is the standard battery for this GoPro. Then pretty standard, one of the regular mounts. Curved helmet mount. And one of the bolts, and then the camera itself. So don't need that. Just place this off on the side. So the camera itself seems very similar to the previous version. Peel this off. Just gonna leave the stickers on for now. I have screen protectors that I'll put on when I take these off. But off the bat, it feels very similar. So this one is the 10 and this is the new 11. So size wise, they're pretty much identical. Look wise, pretty much the same there as well. It's not a whole lot different. And I also brought out the media mod that I'll test just to make sure that that fits. Okay, nothing looks too different in there. Door works the same way as on the 10. These fold outs also the same as on the 10. Let's see, media mod. So no problem with that. So if you have the existing media mod, it will work with the new camera. So that's the new GoPro Hero11. Pretty cool. Battery and everything works the same way as it always has. Memory card slot is in the same place. Grab the memory card. So that fits in there. Battery. And we'll put the door back on. There we go. So it does power on. And then we're going into the initial setup stage. Peel that off, let's just go back. English. Yes, you have to agree. Turn on the GPS, and then it wants us to go straight to the GoPro app, which I do have, but I will continue the setup separately. But that's the unboxing. So far the camera feels pretty much the same as the 10 weight-wise. They're very similar, and I'm going to test out the features next and see how it compares and what the improvements are from the 10 to the 11.